right. With the high.
Oh, that bee's back. What is up, guys? We are in Orlando, Florida this week. We're checking out Universal Studios. Neither one of us have ever been here before. We got to mask up for the whole time. So hopefully you can still hear us okay. And so far there's like nobody here because of COVID.
We also got here an hour and a half before they opened.
Yes, because we were told there's gonna be a lot of people, but there's like no one here. But yeah, we're gonna go do all the rides, check it all out, eat a whole bunch of good food. So drink some drinks. Should be a fun time. All right, let's get after it. We just enjoyed some butterbeer. Harry Potter World is for sure the coolest part about Universal, I think. We've done a few rides so far. Bree is almost thrown up on about every single one.
3.
We've done 3 rides. She is 3 for 3 and almost throwing up. We'll see what the
3 for 3 in nausea and dizziness.
We'll see what the 4th ride brings. Today is day 2 at Universal Studios. Yesterday we did the original Universal Studios. Today we're at Islands of Adventure. Well, we just drank our 84th butterbeer in the last 3 days. We've spent most of our time at Harry Potter World because this place is so cool. Bria said she's gonna throw up after every single ride, and I have yet to see her actually throw up.
I didn't say that. I said I feel nauseous. Do you know what nauseous is? Nausea?
Anything you'd like to say, Brie?
That's cute.
Are you even listening? I'm so weird, y'all.
I'm telling you, you talk so much. I just drown you out. Look how cute this is.
I'm gonna put this in the video, and you're gonna be like, why'd you put that in there? I sound so rude.
I don't sound rude. You talk a lot.